What's happening, y'all? We're here at the giant facility and separation facility. Get our hemp on. The side dump trailer dumps out here. It's roughly about 12 to 15,000 pounds per load, and we're getting about 2 loads per day right now that we're able to process through this system. First here, we've got our Franklin grinder. Our Franklin grinder is basically a grinder that grinds the material to about 3/4 inch size. Then it comes up this conveyor belt, and there's like a little bit of a brush on that conveyor belt that keeps the layer on the conveyor belt very consistent, which is very important. Then it comes up, and that first blue drum is our first heater. It injects hot air from the bottom, lifts that material through that ducting, and then takes it outside to the cyclone separator, which you guys have seen in some of the other videos. Then it brings it back in, and it brings it down onto a bubbling bed. That's where the final drying takes place. Once the material is dry enough, then it can hop over this little wall. Then it goes into the next conveyor. Then that conveyor is that blue conveyor down there that heads out to the separator. Then the separator separates it, stem, seed, keef, and bio. We leave the keef and the bio blended back together at the end so that the final extraction is comprised of both. Let's check it out. So here's where we got the Franklin grinder. Franklin grinder is coming in. Feed through this conveyor right here. This heater, glass, heated air, up through this ducting. And here's our second heater. This heater blows heated air. A bubbling bed from the bottom. Then it can hop over this little wall. Then it goes into the next conveyor. And that's your material before separation. Then it comes into material separation through this conveyor and out right here. This is where the hopper. It used to take super sacks of material, but we don't do super sack loading anymore. We have it hooked up with this belt conveyor, which is 1,000 times better than unloading by super sack. Oh my God, and it saves so much time and so much effort.
Way more.
And as well as a lot of material loss. So we've got this conveyor. Fiber comes out. This is all the separated fiber. And right here's where our so it's got 90% of the stem separated out of it. And this is extraction grade biomass. It's gonna make really good distillate or isolate or even other products.
Check us out at ketolifesupply.com.